You don't need to be good at art to do this. Just sit with me. Pick a focal image. No pressure, no expectation. Let your emotions flow onto the page. Stay here for a moment. What did you notice? This is your space. This is your process.
Whispers of transition floating in the air. Brushing hand, I feel the gentle nudge. Colors of my journey, the lines begin to blur.